Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news stories happening in the crypto space. For today's top stories: SEC's appeal in Ripple case denied, XRP rallied as crypto community celebrated. Ripple Labs obtains full license to operate in Singapore after revealing expansion plan into Asia-Pacific region. Analysts say Hong Kong could provide much-needed tailwind for lagging crypto activity. Crypto-friendly Congressman McHenry temporarily takes over U.S. House. Binance unmasks $277 million crypto scam in Thailand. If this is your first time watching our videos, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the latest and hottest news stories happening in the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos for traders and investors to get an in-depth look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a huge thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Make sure that you also hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any potential groundbreaking news that may help you with your trades in the crypto market. Also, please share this video with your friends who are also interested in the crypto world. Lastly, we would love to know what you think, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss today's headlines. Big news today: a federal judge has rejected the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's bid to appeal its groundbreaking loss against Ripple. According to District Judge Analisa Torres, the SEC had failed to meet its burden under the law to show that there were controlling questions of law or that there were substantial grounds for differences of opinion. However, the recent decision isn't a complete loss for the SEC. The judge had set an April 2024 trial date for other issues that still needed to be resolved. The SEC may still try to appeal the overall case after rulings have been made. Judge Analisa Torres was the same judge who ruled in July in favor of Ripple Labs and XRP. In her July ruling, she stated that while Ripple did violate federal securities laws by selling XRP to institutional investors directly, Ripple didn't violate any rules by making XRP available to retail customers through programmatic sales to exchanges. This decision was the actual ruling that the SEC was trying to appeal. Soon after the July ruling, the SEC stated that they would be filing an interlocutory appeal and moving to stay any further decision-making as it bid for an appeal court review of Judge Torres' ruling. At the time of this report, spokespeople from the SEC and Ripple Labs have yet to release an official statement. In other news, Ripple Labs has obtained a full license to operate in Singapore. According to market observers, the license shows Ripple's goal to expand operations in the Asia-Pacific region. Ripple Labs revealed that they obtained a major payments institution license in Singapore in a statement they released on Wednesday. This serves as a strategic step toward growing its presence in the Asia-Pacific region. The new development comes less than 4 months after the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, granted an initial in-principle approval in June. With the full license, Ripple Labs will continue to provide regulated crypto payment services in Singapore. Ripple Labs added that over 90% of its business is outside of the United States. The spokesperson added that Singapore and Asia-Pacific in general are the fastest-growing regions for crypto industries to thrive. Ripple Labs President Monica Long stated in an interview last month that the Singapore office's headcount has more than doubled in the past year. The reason being that the company's business within the Asia-Pacific region has exploded. Singapore has long been the leader in crypto regulation in the region. The country's Payment Services Act, which is legislation that regulates payment services and the provision of crypto services to the public, has been in effect since January 2020. While the city-state has been touted as a crypto-friendly nation, Singapore is known to have strict standards for application approval. Recently, the country has stepped up scrutiny on crypto firms by ordering crypto service providers to keep customer assets under statutory trust before the end of 2023. Singaporean regulators also restrict such firms from facilitating the lending or staking of their retail customers' assets. A Ripple Labs spokesperson stated that since they established Singapore as their Asia-Pacific headquarters in 2017, the country has been pivotal to Ripple's global business. They have hired exceptional talent and local leadership and plan on continuing the company's growing presence in Singapore. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghoe stated that Singapore is a progressive jurisdiction. Garlinghouse added that under MAS leadership, Singapore has developed into one of the leading fintech and digital asset hubs. It was able to strike a balance between innovation, consumer protection, and responsible growth. The comment stands in contrast to Ripple's situation in the United States, where it and other crypto firms are embroiled in lawsuits with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple Labs, Coinbase, and other crypto firms have slammed the U.S. for a lack of clarity around crypto rules. Crypto firms in the United States have also repeatedly threatened to leave the country in response to the SEC's crackdown on crypto. Like Ripple Labs, Coinbase also obtained a major payment institution license in Singapore after obtaining in-principle approval a year ago. Ripple Labs and Coinbase join more than a dozen crypto firms that are licensed to offer crypto services in Singapore. Up next, we have a group of market analysts saying that Hong Kong may be able to provide the tailwind for the lagging crypto activity in Asia. According to market observers, crypto activity in East Asia fell from its perch after China started its crusade against crypto in 2019. However, recent moves in Hong Kong may be able to reverse the trend, according to a blockchain analytics firm. Hong Kong's recent crypto advancements could provide a potential tailwind to jumpstart crypto activity in the East Asia region, which has mainly suffered from a China-wide ban on crypto trading activities, which started in 2019. According to analysts, the cryptocurrency value received in East Asia only amounted to just 8.8% of the world between July 2022 and June 2023, despite being one of the most populous regions in the world. According to a report from Chainalysis, as it stands, the East Asia region is the fifth most active crypto market. However, recent crypto developments in Hong Kong could potentially increase this number. According to data released by Chainalysis, it revealed that East Asia's share of crypto transaction value went from around 30% in 2019 to less than 10% by the second quarter of 2022. Thanks to the bubbling optimism in Hong Kong, despite its much smaller population compared to mainland China, the crypto market is already described as extremely active based on the raw transaction volume. Hong Kong's recorded transaction volume between July 2022 and June 2023 reached a staggering $64 billion in crypto. China's volume was larger at $86.4 billion. However, Hong Kong's population is only 0.5% the size of mainland China. According to Merton Lam of Crypto HK, cryptocurrencies are becoming a part of the investment portfolios of many banks, private equity firms, and high-net-worth individuals that they work with within the region. Even Chinese state-owned businesses have launched cryptocurrency-focused investment funds as of late, despite the mainland's blanket ban on crypto. Matrix Sports head of research and strategy, Marcus Thielen, stated that Hong Kong will serve as a testing ground for broader cryptocurrency adoption in China. Moving on, crypto-friendly U.S. Congressman Patrick McHenry finds himself at the helm of the U.S. House of Representatives just as legislation to establish digital asset regulations nears a finish line. While House Republicans sought to replace the just-ousted Speaker of the House, Kevin McCarthy, McHenry will be serving as the ousted Speaker's temporary replacement. Known as a staunch supporter of the crypto industry, McHenry will be leading the House of Representatives, albeit temporarily. Since last year, the chairman of the House Financial Services Committee has been hard at work on a number of crypto bills. Having McHenry in the lead role over the entire House will definitely not hurt their progress. One bill that would erect guardrails for U.S. stablecoins and another that would establish wide-reaching rules for the crypto markets recently created the Financial Services Committee and are expected to be brought up for floor votes as soon as next month. However, it should be noted that a House approval is only a half victory for the crypto sector since the Senate still has to approve it. While the Republicans have yet to find a permanent replacement for the ousted Speaker, the name of Representative Tom Emmer has emerged among other possible successors. If Emmer gets voted to be the next House Speaker, it would surely be a major win for the crypto industry. To wrap things up, Binance announced that the company played a key role in uncovering a $277 million crypto scam in Thailand. Working with the Thai authorities, Binance claims that they helped dismantle a massive crypto scam that drained over $277 million from victims across Thailand. Binance stated that they worked closely with the Cybercrime Investigation Bureau of the Royal Thai Police and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Binance's role was to provide crucial intelligence that led to the arrest of 5 key members of the criminal operation. The criminal group had been running a fraudulent crypto investment scheme known as a pig butchering scam. This is where scammers carefully gain the trust of their victims by showing them fake investment accounts with impressive returns before they con their victims with as much money as they can. The term pig butchering scam was coined due to the scam being compared to a farmer fattening their pigs before taking them to slaughter. Authorities were able to confiscate approximately $277 million worth of assets from the scammers, which included luxury cars, homes, land titles, and other lavish items. The scam is estimated to have impacted thousands of victims in Thailand alone. Since the arrests took place, over 3,200 people have come forward who claim to be victims of the criminal organization. Binance's action helped the company establish itself as a key ally to law enforcement in the fight against crypto crimes. In 2020, Binance also collaborated with Ukrainian police to dismantle a $42 million ransomware money laundering operation. In 2021, Binance Security also contributed to an international investigation that brought down the notorious FANCYCAT hacking group, which was linked to over $500 million worth of damages from ransomware and cyber attacks. These are all the latest news stories we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Before you go, don't forget to check out our latest daily market report video to take a closer look at Bitcoin's market performance. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thank you, and have a great day.